Guys, maglaro tayo ngayon GTA San Andreas na. Sige, maglaro tayo ngayon. Gaging late na ng life ngayon guys. Pwede ba mag-spaz nyo? Pinanood ako mamaya ng free mode guys. Parang gusto ko ngayon yung
You better be drunk.
Gaging pizza ka lang oh. Naganilap na. Tignarin dito paano na tayo guys? Nandito yata guys. At mga pag-subscribe natin dito guys. Dito tayo guys. Handa naman to. Get out of my way, idiot. Niyan, gago ka ba? Lord tayo dito eh. Tignan mo naman yung life ko guys. Kaya kaan muna tayo.
Yummy doodle do. How may I serve you?
Sige po. Dito na lang po. Ano ba yung mas maganda dito po? Ito po, maganda po to.
You might be lucky enough to find a feather.
Sige, kain mo lang tayo po. Gagilig full na yung life ko, boss. Salamat po. Salamat po, boss. Wala yung sasakyan dito. Dito pala yan, guys. Oo, muna tayo sa bahay.
Go away, lady, please.
Ganun lang guys. Normal na pamumuhay. Maganda kasi yung kung gaganto tayo eh. Normal. Sige, gago kaya. Inutil eh.
That's very kind of you.
Not all the time, boy.
I'd love to give your ego with it.
Ikaw na, wag yan.
Wes, you gonna ignore me?
Okay. Diba, bike lang tayo. Tayo dito. Parang ano lang guys eh. Balik, parang mas magandang umuwi sa bahay natin doon nga sa mga bahay natin dito. Dito yung bahay natin Ang gusto ko kasi tatapusin ko muna para makukuha ko yung yung mga baril, yung lahat na store.
Give me 15, motherfucker. I'll write it down in a second. I ain't gonna pencil with me, fat sucker. Let me play first.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, man?
Who winning?
Who you think, huh? Me. That does it. That's game on and void, motherfuckers.
So, what kind of guns we working with now?
One times came through raid the squad. We ain't got shit now.
Well, what you gonna do if the shoes at him? Say, what happened to Emmett?
Emmett? Shit, gangs these days got Max, AKs, and all kind of stuff. Emmett, on the other hand, ain't got shit.
Well, until we get that plug, we gotta deal with a cat that always been there for us.
Emmett, Seville Boulevard family. We ain't too close these days, but nonetheless, I'll take you to see him. Get ourselves strapped up. Come on, man. Nigga, shake him up again.
Fat boy. Bikin ng chan mo, gago ka, papatayin kita dyan.
What happened to the family? Where the love at?
Shit happened. Seville wrongs Temple. Temple wrongs Grove. Bad blood leads to bad blood. If you read the book, that's the way of the world, baby.
Yeah, but you know you gotta keep it real.
I admire you, Carl. You're a leader, a visionary. Remember me when you get to the top.
Give it a rest, Smoke. You full of shit. Who's next on my watch?
Tatag naman ko si boss. Gawin naman ko kasi. Ay, gagi. Babaril-baril kayo dito ng ano ni Utol.
Who shot at me? What you kids want?
Hey, Pops. Hey, what's happening?
Aren't you Beverly Johnson's boy?
That's right.
Wait, say, ain't you dead?
No, Emmett. The other one, Carl.
Sorry, Mama. Beverly. That's why we're here, sir. We want to get the people who did it. Well, you come to the right place. Try anything you like, boy. Man, look at this old shit.
Gagi, maraming baril yata yun,
Got a
boss.
little glass ball of fool. Oh, Beverly be so proud of you, boy.
Oo naman po.
Shit, I'm the best there ever was.
Ang galing mga baril sa likod eh. One hit ka lang, tol. Huwag mo
Oh,
ako
you're too
susubukan.
Yeah, that's real Grove Street style now.
Oo talaga, boss. Grove Street style tayo dito, boy.
Cap your
Uy,
ass
tignan mo naman, oh.
and your ass. You want some too? Ice cold, baby. I
Gagi,
knew I was the
hindi ko
chosen
taga
one.
pigilan, boss.
Check out Special Agent Big Smoke.
Oh, you're making me so proud.
Oo naman, boss. Ano ka ba? Ako to. Si Sander. Alam mo naman yan, boss. Mas magandang...
Damn, you're a killer, baby. Ice cold. But
Ice
remember
cold
something.
talaga, boy.
Real strength comes from within, my brother. Listen to the boy.
Tapos
Yeah,
i-bebe-train mo
I
ko
guess
sa
liberty
ulit.
didn't
Tangina
stop
mo
when you
naman, boss.
Hey, look, let's split. Hey, I see you around,
Papatayin
Emmett.
kita, tangina mo
I'm
ah.
100% behind you, boys. But remember this, you didn't get them from me. And remember this, Emmett is the place for guns. I've always got high quality merchandise, and I've been proudly serving the community for over 30 years. Crazy old fool. Hey, look, you drive, man.
What's going on, man? Shit seems pretty fucked up.
People have to open their eyes and their hearts, CJ.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the choices all men face, brother. Sometimes they seem real, but other times there's no choice at all.
At least you still talking shit. You ain't changed a bit.
Who, me? No, never.
Oy! Bangga, tangina mo ah.
Hey!
Sige boy, gagi. Uy! Bangga. Okay.
Thanks, CJ. I see you rap.
Later, Smoke.
Talaga boy. Auto boy.
Speak.
I thought you was representing. What? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought you was rolling with Grove Street again.
Already told you I am.
Well, I ain't seen your colors yet. You gotta fly the flag, man. Ain't nobody gonna respect you if you ain't representing your hood.
Alright, man. My bad. I just ain't got around to it yet.
There's a Beaco around the corner from the gym in Gatton. Go get yourself some greens.
I'll do half of this shit. Move!
Sabihin ko, gago ka. Some colors, Grove Street colors. Yung Grove Street colors na yan, yung sinasabi niya. Lalagyan ko daw ng ng mga kulay green na t-shirt na pwede kong gagamitin para sa Grove Street styles mo. Igago ko! Ito ko. Binko, buwa.
I'm not adequate. Watch.
Sorry,
Mess with a
boss.
man's wife, will you?
Di kayo
Man,
makakapasok.
come in.
Ay, dito sa bingo, guys. Dito pala ako, Di ko lang natapos ng mission. Yung isa ko video
That's the
yun.
changing room, sir.
Nagpapahirap ako kung asan kayo
Excuse
bibili.
me, Mark.
Saan yung papa? Torso. Combat jacket. Ito black top, boy. Marami kong pera. Wala akong pake kung ilan yung gagastos. Ay, gaging pangit naman to. Balik. Wala yan. Talo tayo niyan. Wing shirt. Combat. Ito green shirt. Ang ganda to. Ano ko yan, boy? Bangit yan. Checkered shirt. Bangit talaga, boy. Balik. Ayoko na ito. Mayaman ko naman ito yung bibiling ko. Ano ka gago? Green hoodie ito, guys. Green hoodie. Yan, maganda yan eh. Tignan mo naman ito. Bili-bilin na natin yan. Bilhin.
Always a pleasure,
Balik. Boy. Up tayo na ulit. Legs. Okay, boy. Legs. Okay, blue jeans. Green jeans. Truck. Uy, tingnan mo, boy. Ganda, tol. Ito, sasabihin natin. To, change na lang yung kulang, guys. Change. Dapat maganda yung mukha natin dito, boy. Africa, man. Okay, Africa dyan. Ang maganda yan. Ay, hindi. Pangit. Yung sanang natin yan, guys. Sa t-shirts. Dog tags. Tingnan mo naman, no. Ganda si Utol, boy. Bili.
You, sir.
Wala na natin yung relo. Yung ano pa niyan. Ang clock. Watches pala. Yan. Yellow watch. Yan. Tignan mo, boy. Bili na rin. Bili na
It
yan.
was a pleasure, sir.
Walang ano man po. Shades. Ay, patch. Green rag and green rag, boy. Tignan mo naman, oh. Grove Street stars talaga, boy. Kulang na lang yung ano. Ang shoes, di pa natin nabili yan. Lang. Green low tops. Fully green tayo dyan, boy. Fully green. Okay, bili na.
Always a pleasure, sir.
Last na lang po to yung shoes. Inaulit na tayo. Kala ko kasi
Wonderful day,
siya eh.
sir.
So, bang papatayin kita? Ha? Thank you eh. Nagigil ako ngayon. Nah, again, let's go, let's go, let's go. Respect. Huwag na tayo nag-break. Tapos, uy, God.
I could drive as well as CJ, man. I'm telling you. Hey, homie, what's up?
Hey, what you saying about me,
What's
fool?
up, man? I'm saying that the East Coast made you drive like an idiot, fool. Man, you always crashing cars and shit. And for some reason now you back. All it is CJ drive here, CJ drive there. Bullshit. Man, why don't you just take it easy? No disrespect, man. But you can't drive for shit.
Thanks, man. Nah. Say what you really mean.
You such a good gunman, homie. You gotta ride shotgun. Show CJ what's cracking. And you know something? You white. Yeah, CJ, you can drive, homie. He's tripping.
Okay, pasok. Balak territory.
Rolling Heights, Paula's country. Do us a little drive-by, huh? You know something, matter of fact, you are chauffeur
Oi.
for this little gig. Come on.
G, thanks, G.
Just don't drive like no fool.
Uy!
CJ, I
One
want
now, homie.
Sorry po, boss.
Oh, you, G.
Sorry po, boss. Lasa lang po ito. Uy, bangga. Ganyan ka.
You been smoking today, kid.
Sorry po. Sorry. Ang dami natin.
Yeah, Baller's turf. You dogs ready?
Yeah, for sure. I'm ready.
Carl, just concentrate on the driving, and we'll take care of the shooting. Listen to the man, fool. Try not to park us up a tree or something. Yeah, if the car stops, we dead meat.
Sige, bilisan mo yun.
I love to swing.
And you can swing on this, baby.
Sige.
See what I apologize for that shit.
We iced them, CJ. Let's hunt down some more.
Hey, we've had so much swinging.
Damn, man,
Don't
move.
swing at your wife.
Move.
Swing with your wife.
Stab out of here,
It's
CJ.
more fun.
Man, what is your problem? Speed up a little. Shit, get us out of here. We sitting ducks.
Dito, boss. Patay mo. Sige. Tawad.
Get us the hell out of here.
Sige, bilisan nyo na lang, boss. Yung bakal yan. Patay na yung iba, boss. Yung iba, tumatakbo na naman.
Stab out of here, CJ. Get us the hell out of here. Get us the hell out of here. We ain't waiting for CJ. Find a
Patay na
smoke
tayo.
ball so we can cap it. CJ, you asshole.
Patay na.
Smash on it, Carl. Smash.
Sige boss, sige boss. Don't hang it down. Sige na nga, patay tayo dito. Bilis. Hanggang siya. Oy, bangga. Mamatay tayo dito. Yun daw, takbo. Wala na, mission failed. Tangina mo. Let's go. Sige na. Sorry na, boss. Sige pa tayong mga kasama ko. Nabangga kasi tayo. Yun yung Uy, tangina mo ka, labas.
Man, what I tell y'all? Told you he was a buster. Boys,
Ulit.
he's higher octane.
Dito lang tayo.
One time, TJ.
Sige, wag naman kayong malalait siya. Yan yung pinakahina kong part.
Man, you gotta ease up some.
Dito ka. Sige, tangina mo. Ano naman, sinabugan na naman tayo. Sabugin mo na lang. Patay tayo. Sige, sabugin mo na lang. Wala akong pake. Ulit na naman to, boss. Patay tayo. Kung babaril, patay tayo dito. Huwag na binabaril nila. Dito. Boom! Buti na lang di sumabog. Bilisan natin. Uy, bang.
Who you think you fucking with?
Ayun na naman, dito na naman siya. Binabanggaya kasi. Ang hirap naman nito pag na-part na to eh. Easy lang to kapag easy lang to talaga. Siya, masasabihin.
Watch your mouth.
Wala na naman, sasabihin na naman.
Fire blast.
Asian build kasi boy eh. Hanapin ko ng place. Dito tayo. Bunga. Kaya bilisan lang natin. Ito lang, bilis dito. Huwag natin babangga-bangga natin dito. Ito kasabog to. Kasabog talaga to eh. Uy! Bangga. Dandaan lang, huwag tayong sasabog dito. Hindi tayo sasabog kapag dandaan lang. Tangin naman. Buti na hindi talaga sumabog. Sasabog na naman to. Alam ko to. Huwag nyo. Tangin na naman. Ano naman kasi. Hindi talaga yung pinaan ng party na ulit na naman tayong bagal kasi. Dito tayo lang puti. Spray shop, alam ko yan. So paint spray. Oy! Bangga. Ito yung papakita doon. Tangina mo, patay tayo dito. Sumabog na naman. Wala kasi. Nawawala na akong gana eh. Ulit.
This is great. This is quality journalism.
Kaya ulit.
Hey, let's get blunted and grab some fucking Bill. I have got
Gagi, hindi ko pa yung nakita.
good to me. Fire it up.
Youth councilors in Los Santos are heading to the streets and meeting one-on-one with members of the community. One citizen told WCTR the real
Gusto mo.
They always say there's too many drugs. I ain't no fan.
Bagal naman.
Bullshit. Plain bullshit. I mean, way I see it is
Oy!
ain't enough drugs in the Get out. Get out. It's gonna flow.
Yes, Kiki, ulit. Ulit to. Ulit na talaga to. Sige, ulit na to. Last na lang part na to.
I know you were hyped up on that record. It don't stop. That's right, the body rock. I'm like a
Nandito
laser,
tayo.
just won't praise ya. Forthright MC in the his house.
Ano ako dito?
CJ, I warned your ass.
Marami kasi doon.
Sucker calls me up and says, Kevlar, Forthright MC is gonna get violent over here. Let me stew while we play this next
Pasok, sige. Yan, let's go. Spray is complete. Yan. Sige lang. Tapusin na natin yung star na yan. If your homies to back to the field.
Yeah, Grove is back, man. Grove is back.
Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you ain't get us killed, CJ. Let me check myself. Am I dead? Hey, Carl, ignore that motherfucker. You did good today.
Boss,
You're down with the Grove and the ballers know it. So watch yourself from now on, CJ.
Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later.
Yeah, take this. Go get yourself some beers.
some beers. Ano ka ba, Otol? Asan lang to? Arte yan.
Sweet. Smoke. Shit. Where all the homies at? Fuck they at? Damn.
Ayun na yung gira-gira eh.
Chit-chat. You're seeing a Seville family.
Nah, yan na yun.
Work out on the street, the boys don't like it.
Gagawin,
Get down
ganyan
to
yung mga
Seville,
ano
and
yun.
we need a ride out of here. Pronto.
Oh, for sure, man. Hang in there.
Drop by Emmett to get here.
Gagi, isama natin yan. Bakit ka binabaril? Lang. Asan ba yung ano dito? You back, image. Sige. Bilisan mo. Tayo dun. Tayo mga kasama natin dun eh. Wala kang pakit mo, mamatay ako dito. Wala akong pakit na mamatay ako dito. Yung importante, kasama ko yung mga kasama ko dito. Alam niyo yun. Uy,
Thanks,
gagi.
homie. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Binangga ka na nga. Nag-thanks ka pa. Nakabobo. Yung hotel ko yata yung animal. Ibilasan nyo. Tangina na. Patay naman may si Sweet dun. Ano pa sa akin? Yaw pa kayo. Dito pa kayo yung mga pulis. May hotel talaga yan. Busin mo kayo. Uy! Tangina naman, ayaw dumapa. Ayaw dumapa, guys. Ulit-ulit. Sige na, bilisan natin. Bilisan natin. Sige, sige, sige.
You're too much of a player to learn to drive, huh?
Dito tayo. Brainin mo, brainin mo. Sige, ubusin mo yan. Tangina. Inutil. Sige. Pagkapunta natin doon, patay mo agad. Pagkapunta natin doon, patayin mo agad. Gogi, ang pangit pala nun. Sige. Pero sa background with guys maingay talaga yung mga pinsan ko doon at yung kita ko. Uy, tangina mo, bumangga ka pa talaga. Pindoy. Kasama yata tayo. Kasama yata tayo.
You give a
Pasok
shit
ka,
about
pasok ka,
what you
pasok
said,
ka.
bitch.
Sige, pasok ka, sige.
Die, sure. I ain't your bitch. Oh, you tripping, bro? Come on.
Tangina, mamamatay na yung kasama ko. Diyan ka pa.
Give it up.
Ito sa akin. Sige na, pasok na boy.
Better not kill us, CJ. Hit the gas.
Yung mamamatay na yung kasama ko. Diyan ka pa.
Listen, no.
Yan.
Damn, face is stuck to the dash.
Sige, sige.
Trying for shit.
Welcome to the family, fool.
Hey, man, those are some tight tattoos.
No scope.
Can't
Ayan ka,
see
no
us,
scope
fool.
yun boy. Ayan ka. Bullet! Tangina mo! Tangina mo! Patay! Tangina mo talaga! Tangina mo talaga! Last na lang po to. Last na lang to yung... Last na lang tong minute. Tatapusin ko na to yung video. Dito kayo tayo. Tangina mo. Sumayan pa ako ng oras. Sige, tignan mo naman yung live mo, mamamatay na sila. Walang kwentang kasama. Open up!
Hey, this ain't nothing personal.
ina! Pusing ko talaga yun. Lang. Gusto natin to.
It's on you, little gun. Hey, you got GSF ain't for bumpers.
Oh! Sabog na to, boys.
Method acting doesn't come to a three-way.
West, ¿qué pasó, güey? I think it needs more veterano. Yeah, real bad, man. Ever try to fix
Sige po, dito na lang tatapusin. Gigigil kasi ako eh. Kapag nag-enjoy naman kayo, subscribe kayo at like and share, and don't forget to click the bell para updated kayo sa latest videos ko. Salamat sa panonood. Kapag na-enjoy kayo, alam niyo na yung sinabi ko. Bye!